How to enable ChatGPT voice to voice on phone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to enable ChatGPT voice to voice on phone. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to your ChatGPT application. Make sure you have downloaded it from the Play Store as it's available for free on there. So once you open the ChatGPT, so as you can see, if you haven't enabled this option, you can see on my section there is a voice, and I can simply call or use any of the voice to simply write down my chat. So let me just quickly show you an example. When I press on this microphone icon right next to this voice command icon, hello ChatGPT, and I would simply press on done, and it should convert my text, as you can see, just like that, to ChatGPT, and I can start my conversation from over here as well. So if you're in your case, if you are not seeing that option, there's what you can do is just long press on that particular application and simply click on this I button. If you are using Samsung device, it will be easier, but if you can't locate such option, you can simply head over to your settings and then find out this ChatGPT option, and then you can re-enter this screen. And once you're inside here, just click on this permission option and make sure you have given this microphone permission, or you have allowed this microphone permission from over here. So once you do that, your issue should be fixed. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.